Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to set up and use project alerts on teamwork.com, your 2025 guide. Let's start by logging into your Teamwork account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard. The reason we do this is because this is where you can access all of your ongoing projects. Now that we've done that, find the project you want to set up alerts for and click on it. You'll be taken directly to the project's main page. This is where you can manage all aspects of your project, including alerts. Next up, go to the Settings tab, located at the top right corner of the project page. In the drop-down menu, you'll see Alerts. Click on it. This helps us because it's where you can customize when and how you receive notifications about your project. Once you've opened the Alerts section, you'll see various options for notifications. You can choose to get alerts for new tasks, completed tasks, new comments, and more. Just check the boxes next to the events you want to be alerted about. The reason we do this is to ensure you're only notified about the updates that matter to you. When you've selected your preferences, don't forget to hit Save. This will apply the changes to your project alerts. Now, you'll start receiving notifications based on the settings you've chosen. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Teamwork.com is now set to monitor your project for the events you've selected and will send you an alert when they occur. And that's it. You've now set up project alerts on Teamwork.com. This process is crucial in project management as it ensures you're always up to date with the latest developments in your project without having to constantly check your project page. Thanks for tuning in today. And remember, project alerts on teamwork.com are your tool for staying informed and proactive in managing your projects. Stay tuned for more quick and helpful guides.